there, it's Ashley from WTI. These are the Champion Youth Crew socks, and if your kids go through socks as much as mine, then you're really going to appreciate these because they're a quality sock and they're not going to easily get holes in them. They are reinforced in the heel and the toe. They have a really nice stretch to them, and this upper part is a little bit longer, so it is going to protect your kids' legs if they do like to play sports and things like that. This is a thick material. It is going to last you a while. That's why I got these, because my son is constantly just always putting holes in his socks. They wear out really easily, but if you buy a quality brand like Champion, you're going to notice that that is not going to happen as often. So I highly recommend getting these. They're really comfortable. The variety of colors adds to any outfit and can match whatever your kids are wearing. You can't go wrong with them, but that's just my point of view.